Here are Channel Mum's top tips to making sure that you have the most magical Christmas Eve with your kids. Tip number 1, did you know that you can make Santa footprints for your children to find? All you need is a boot, flour and water and you're ready to go. It just makes Christmas so much more magical to let their little minds think that Santa has been in their house. Now, I know what you're thinking, but don't worry, it hoovers up quite easily the next day. Tip number 2, the adults love this one just as much as the kids, but did you know that you can actually track Santa in real time to see where he is in the world? There will be a little link for you guys to follow in the description box so that you can get the kids off to bed and tell them that he is near their house. Tip number 3, it is a lovely family tradition to take your children out, wrap up nice and warm and either go for a walk or even go a trip in the car to see your local Christmas lights. It just makes Christmas feel so much more magical and it will definitely get you in the festive spirit the night before Christmas. Tip number 4, this is probably one of my favourite ones. I absolutely love the tradition of having a Christmas Eve box. I'll show you a few bits that are in mine. Some little mini Christmas crackers. 1, 2, 3. You're the winner! Some sprinkles for making cakes. We like to bake on Christmas Eve. A festive book. We've got some festive colouring activity books and also some festive crayon. Ella's favourite Christmas DVD. A little jar here for having Ella's drink the night before Christmas. Our Santa plate and Santa mug. And I won't forget, some new Christmas pyjamas are always a must. I like to pop in some snacks, some chocolates, but we don't do that just yet because they never make it to Christmas Eve. Tip number 5, don't waste money buying reindeer food when you can actually just make your own. It's a nice fun activity for you and the kids to get involved with and you'll know that it is safe for them to have. Just grab some porridge oats, some sprinkles. We sprinkle this outside our front doorstep to lure in the reindeer and Santa, and don't forget to sweep up some of it in the morning. Tip number 6, Channel Mum had this really cool Santa risk assessment that you can print and complete with your kids ahead of Christmas Eve. It's so much fun and it looks like this. Health and safety is important after all. Did you see what I did there? Moving on. Don't forget to nibble the mince pie, leave out a carrot and also pick a drink for Santa. What drink do you guys have in your house? I know it's a bit of a debate in here whether Santa likes a beer or a cup of tea or maybe a G&T. It's tough being Santa. And that's it. What do you guys get up to on Christmas Eve? Please leave us a comment and let us know. Channel Mum have got you covered this Christmas. Why don't you go and check out all of our other Christmas videos on Channel Mum? Go on, what are you waiting for?